Good morning.
Okay, good morning, Ha. How are you today?
I'm okay. And you?
I feel happy. I'm good. And now I am going to talk again with you. Okay, I give you mini heart.
Okay, Miniha.
Yes. Okay. Teacher, can you share me your plan or your Excel one? Okay. Okay, teacher, what
Okay.
is your goal for today?
Go today ก็คือ paint the porch.
Oh,
Paint the porch.
yes. Okay.
Why? It's own, not beautiful.
Oh, so you paint, you clean.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
And show
Okay.
ไปเลยนะ teacher.
Yes, you can read. You can read your paper.
Read. Okay. Mistake. Yesterday, we painted the porch wrong, so had to change to color. You understand?
Yeah. You change the color again. Oh, sorry.
Yes. How? We finished painting the downstairs to the porch.
Okay, you paint the downstairs. Okay.
Yes, finish teacher. Afternoon. Afternoon. Look like the raining teacher.
Yeah.
Yes, and vocabulary. Number 1, porch. He is painting the porch.
Yes.
Number 2, dress.
Dress.
My mom buy a new dress to me.
Again. My mom buy a new dress for me.
For me, okay ค่ะ Thank you ค่ะ teacher. My mom buy a new dress for me.
What color?
Number color red, teacher.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like.
Oh, yes. Okay.
ต่อไปค่ะ Number 3, cabinet. The cabinet jewelry discuss to opening of cases.
Okay. Yes.
จ้ะ basket. I buy new dress to my daughter 340 baht.
Okay.
And new shoe 100 baht. Family teacher. I took my daughter to the doctor because my daughter was hit by a cat.
Oh. Where is it? Like the cat bite?
At home, teacher.
อ๋อเหรอแล้ว how is it
in the neck.
แล้ว how is it
ฮะ
แล้วยังเจ็บอยู่ไหมดีขึ้นไหม
it's okay teacher she okay
อ๋ออย่า
แล้วก็จ้า reading I read social book grade 8 for make video clip จ้าเสร็จแล้วidea know the law enactment for make video clip
okay yes
จ้า sometimes line in Facebook I send clean food picture to friend
okay
in Facebook teacher
okay yes
finish
okay that's good very good now I'm going to share with you my paper I'll share with you my Excel one okay can you see my paper now
paper now
can you see เห็นไหมคะ
yes
Okay,
โอเคค่ะ teacher
I'm going to ask teacher Kung. Okay. Okay. What is the population of the students in Nonthai?
600 students around teacher
Okay.
ว่า
So where is Nonthai school located at? Where is
น
Nonthai?
นไทย
Okay, it's Nonthai district. Okay. Can you tell me some school activities that you prepare? มีกิจกรรมอะไรบ้างคะในโรงเรียน
teacher day
Okay, Teachers Day. Yes. What else? Number 2.
number 2 sport day
Okay, sports. When is your sports day?
on November
Okay.
December teacher
Okay, December. Okay, another activity. Number 3.
number 3 Christmas day
Oh, do you like Christmas Day?
yes I like
Okay, last one.
ลอยกระทง day teacher
Oh. Where are you going to Loy the Kratong?
I want to ลอยกระทงin นครราชสีมา at นครราชสีมา
Yes. Okay. So I'm going to show you my 5 words. Okay, we're going to read. Okay, number 1. I have here the word tuition fee. Tuition fee. Can you say that again?
tuition tuition free
Okay. Tuition fee.
tuition fee
One more time.
tuition fee
Okay, good. I read the sentence. The school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee. Okay. The school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee. Okay, your turn.
The school offers 20% discount on the tuition fee.
Tuition fee. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, number 2. I'll show you the second word. Okay, enroll. Enroll.
Enroll.
Okay.
Enroll.
The school is now open for enrollment. Many students are coming to enroll. I repeat. The school is now open for enrollment. Many students are coming to enroll. Okay, can you say that again?
Okay. The school is now open for enrollment. Many students are coming to enroll.
Very good. Good job. Okay, number 3. Okay. Announcement. Announcement.
Announcement.
Okay,
Announcement.
good. Many
Announcement.
people were surprised by the government's announcement that all schools must be closed. I repeat. Many people were surprised by the government's announcement that all schools must be closed. Your turn.
Many people were surprised by the government. Its announcement at all school must be closed.
Okay, I like your pronunciation. Very clear. Okay, ดีมากค่ะ
Thank you ค่ะ
Number 4. Look at my
Number
mouth. Supervisor.
Supervisor.
Oh, very good.
Supervisor.
Okay, I read. The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school. I repeat. The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school. Can you say that again?
Evaluate นะ teacher
Evaluate. Evaluate.
evaluate the school. The district supervisor and his team came to evaluate the school.
Very good. Okay. Number 5. Cooperate.
Cooperate.
Okay. Cooperate. Okay. I read.
Cooperate.
Yes. If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately. Okay. I repeat. Immediately.
Immediately.
Okay. Yes. I repeat the
Immediately.
sentence.
Immediately.
Okay.
Immediately.
If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately. Your turn.
Immediately. Immediately.
Yes.
Immediately. Okay. If everyone cooperates, the job will be finished immediately.
Okay.
Okay. Immediately.
Okay, one
Immediately.
more time. Immediately.
Immediately.
Very good. Okay. 5 words.
Okay.
Number 1, tuition fee.
Tutor, tutor,เดี๋ยว teacher again นะ tuition fee.
Okay, one more time. Tuition fee.
Tuition fee.
Very good. Number 2,
Tuition.
enroll.
Number two, enroll.
Announcement.
Announcement.
Okay. Supervisor.
Supervisor.
Cooperate.
Cooperate.
Okay, very good. Good job, Ka. Okay. I share with you the paper and you can practice reading the vocabulary. Okay.
Thank you ค่ะ teacher.
Okay. For next week, okay. Next week, Filipinos will call Thai teachers. You show your classroomนะคะ. Welcome to my classroom. แล้วก็ไปโชว์ around ด้วยโอเคนะ
อืม
เราจะมา
โอเคค่ะ
tour around your classroom. Okay.
อ่าฮะ
Are you ready?
The classroom not finished teacher. In secondary not finished teacher. In
Okay.
non-Thai.
Never mind. Yes. Show
Okay.
a little decoration. Susu, fighting ค่ะ Okay. Goodbye, teacher. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.